KanakadhArA-10 10th shloka. गीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वज सुन्दरीति शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थिति प्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनैकगुरोस्तरुण्यै. गीर्देवतेति गीर्देवता इति गरुडध्वजसुन्दरी इति शाकम्भरी इति शशिशेखरवल्लभा इति सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै तस्यै नमः त्रिभुवनैकगुरोः तरुण्यै. Before we see the meaning of the shloka, our Sanatana Dharma says Ekameva Advitiyam. Ekameva Advitiyam. Paramatma என்பது ஒன்றுதான், இரண்டற்றது. Paramatma, there is only one Paramatma, there is no second. Adi Shankaracharya established the Advaita Mata, Sthapanam he did. So the Advaita Matam means it's not the religion that we all say in Tamil. Okay, Madam. No, Matam means an opinion. Okay, so Advaita Matam means an opinion that believes that there is no second. Paramatma is only one. Ekameva Advitiyam. There are many udaharanam to understand this concept, philosophy. When we stand in front of a mirror, say on all four sides there is mirror. When we stand, we see so many of our own pratibimbam, our image. Does it mean all those images are true? No. There is only one person standing there. Or we can take another example where sugar is the base of all the sweets. It's in different forms. One is jalebi, one is jangri, one is called gulab jamun, but the base with which all these sweets are made is sugar, right? So sugar is the base. It is only one ingredient that is seen in all different forms. The more appropriate and easy example would be, say for example, let's take Prime Minister Modi. In his family, he will be a brother to some people, he will be an uncle to some people, a son to his mother, and for us, we see him as our Prime Minister. The person is only one. The same person is seen different from different angles. So Paramatma is only one. Each one of us see it differently. And also Paramatma Swa-Ichchaya, by its own wish, also manifests in different forms. This is what Ekameva Advitiyam. There is only one. There is no second. That one Paramatma is liked by some of them as Subramanya Swami, some of them like it as Shakti Devi, some of them as Narayana, some of them see it as Shiva. Just like the sweet example. Sugar is the base, each one likes one. Why I am explaining this is because in this shloka, that is what Adi Shankaracharya is coming to say, that Devi is the one in all different forms. She is the one Shakti in all forms, doing all kinds of karyam. Whether it is Srishti karyam, Sthiti karyam or Samhara karyam, she is the Shakti behind all of this. She is that Paramatma. See, we have to understand that if you take any Perumal Stotram, any Vishnu Stotram, Vishnu will be glorified as the Paramatma behind everything. If you take Shiva Stotram, Shiva will be glorified as the Shakti behind everything. Same thing with any Devi Stotram, Devi will be glorified in that Stotram. That is what our Sanatana Dharma says. Like we saw in the beginning of this audio, we saw that our Sanatana Dharma says that Paramatma is one, but seen in many different forms. So whichever stotram we take and whichever is the glorifying devata in that particular shlokam, we believe that devata is the Shakti behind all the Srishti, Sthiti and Samhara Karya. Here now coming to this current shloka, we know that Lakshmi is the glorifying devata of this particular stotram. And Adi Shankara says here in this shloka that she is the Shakti that is seen in all the different forms. It is her Shakti that is seen in many different forms. What is that? We will see now. It is a very simple shloka. Geer Devateti. Adi Shankara says that Lakshmi is the Geer Devata. Gihi means Vak Adhipati, Vak Devata. She is the Vak Devata, which is Saraswati. You are the Saraswati, you are the Shakti in the form of Saraswati. Garuda Dhwaja Sundari iti. You are also the Garuda Dhwaja's Sundari. Who is Garuda Dhwaja? Who has Garuda in his Dhwaja. Dhwaja means flag. Our Vishnu. Vishnu's Sundari. You are Vishnu's Sundari. You are the, that means what? You are Lakshmi. You are the Lakshmi Devi. You are the Vak Devata. Next is Shakambhari iti. You are Shakambhari. This Nama comes in Devi Mahatmyam. Devi herself tells in Devi Mahatmyam what are the times Devi will come as an avataram to protect mankind, and what are the forms she will take. She will mention in Devi Mahatmyam. We saw this particular Nama even in Indrakshi Stotram, I remember, when I explained the same thing. So, when there, Devi says there in Devi Mahatmyam that when for 100 years there is no vrishti, when there is no rain, all the pranis, including us, suffer due to no rain, anavrishti. Devi will bear all the shaka, means all the vegetation, bhara, to hold. She will turn her form in such a way that she will bear all the vegetation in her to protect mankind, to get them through that anavrishti samaya. So she gets the name because she did that to protect all the pranis. She gets the name Shakambhari. So Adi Shankara says, you are that Shakambhari. Then Shashishekara Vallabha iti. You are the Vallabha, Talaivi or Devi of Shashishekara, Shiva. One who has Shashi, Chandra in his Shekhara means it could mean his head, it could mean his mukutam, crown. So you are the Vallabha of Shiva. So you are Geer Deva, you are the Vak Devata, you are Lakshmi. Garuda Dhwaja Sundari means referring to Lakshmi. You are Lakshmi herself, you are Vak Devata, you are Shakambhari, you are Shashishekara's Vallabha Parvati, you are the Ardhangini of Shiva. Srishti Sthiti Pralayakelesu Samsthitayai. Samsthitayai means you are the Sthira Shakti, you are the Shakti that is firmly standing, or how do we say this? Sthirama irkakuriya Shakti. Edil abdinaka. You are the Sthira Shakti behind Srishti, Sthiti and Pralaya. Okay, in all these karyam, Srishti karyam, Sthiti karyam. Srishti means creation, Sthiti karyam means protection, Pralaya kala, Samhara also. The karyam of Samhara also. There is two more steps after Samhara. Tirodhana and Anugraham. Tirodhana is hiding. Putting a screen and hiding, or taking everything back like a vacuum, right? Everything is taken back from where it came. It goes back into where it came from. That is Tirodhana. Then Anugraham is, again Devi gives Anugraham for Srishti, Sthiti. The same cycle goes again. Srishti karyam happens, Sthiti, Pralaya, Tirodhana, Anugraham. This is what is called Panchakrityam. So, she is the Sthira Shakti behind Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara. That is what is given in the third line. Tasyai, to such a Devi, Devyai Namaha. Who is she? Tribhuvanaika Guros Tarunyai. She is the Taruni of Tribhuvanaika Guroho, of Vishnu. She is the Taruni means ever young. Endrum Ilamai solron illaya. So, ever young. She is the Taruni of whom? Tribhuvanaika Guroho, of Vishnu. Because Vishnu is the Guru for all the three worlds. When we say three worlds, we have to understand it means 14 lokas. Above earth, 7 lokas. And below Bhumi, 7 lokas. Up means Bhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Maha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam is there. Down, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, until Patala. So, Vishnu, who is the Tribhuvanai, Guru for all the three worlds. His Taruni, Tasyai Namaha. To that Devi Namaha. We'll say the shloka again. गीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वजसुन्दरीति शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनैकगुरोस्तरुण्यै. राम राम राम.